What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how to get the leather armor of the Fallen Kingdom in Crimson Desert. This is a unique armor piece that provides you with 7 points of defense, 1 level of lightning resistance, 10% silver gain, 2% stamina regen, and another 2% in swim speed multiplier. To find this leather armor, you'll have to travel west, on this point of the map just below E and R of the Hernand label. Just follow the path that goes along the river until you reach this sharp turn with the green marker. What we're looking for is on the X mark. Once you get there, go deeper into the waterfall. If you find a pile of stones that marks the cave behind it, it means you're exactly at the right place. Now stand close to the waterfall, ready your weapon, and do the stab attack move, which is done by pressing shift and right click. Once you're on the other side, pop up your lantern and travel through the cave. You'll reach the end of the cave, which contains some extra loot, and the chest that contains the armor. Loot the chest and every other valuable. Then you'll get the leather armor of the Fallen Kingdom with some extra freebies. Enjoy! If this video helped, don't forget to leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.